YouTube, what is good? It is your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back. And as y'all can tell, obviously from the title of this video, this is going to be me talking about the next giveaway, like the last one. But first of all, thank you to everyone. I was at 106 subscribers at the last time I did my 100 subscriber giveaway, and that was only in April. I'm at 181 subscribers at the point of making this video. I'm already about to go give away more money, but I'm excited about it. Most YouTubers, I don't see a lot of YouTubers giving away gift cards and money and everything after every 100 subscribers. They may do it once, they may do it at 1,000, they may do it at whatever when they get, you know what I'm saying, to be more popular on YouTube. But this is just my thank you to the people that come rock with your boy. And so I did my 100 subscriber giveaway. That was a $10 gift card to Foot Locker. The next one, for you, those of you that weren't here at that point, I'm at every 100 subscribers, I'm going up $10 on a gift card. So my next one is 19 subscribers away. I wanted to do it the right way this time. Do it before I got to the next milestone and give people more time. So I'm 19 subscribers away. I'm going to leave the giveaway open until I hit 200. I'm not going to say a week, 2 weeks. If it's tomorrow, if I get 19 new subscribers after this video, then I'll be giving away $20. So it's going to be the same exact thing. Either Foot Action, Foot Locker, or Champs gift card. At the subscriber's discretion. Whatever one you want is completely up to you. So the rules for the giveaway, very, very simple. You have to comment down below of this video. If you win, if your name is drawn, which one of those gift cards would you want? Now, all of us that shop at those foot sites know, the more money you spend at those sites, you get $10, $15, $20 off already. And if you add my gift card on top of that, you're way below retail on whatever sneaker you're trying to get. So if you already got $15, $20 off, you're going to be at $35, $40 off of whatever sneaker of your choice when you go for your next purchase. So comment down below. Leave your IG information so it's easy for me to get in contact with you if you win. And third and finally, you have to have a public YouTube channel. If your channel isn't public, I can't get to it. So if I can't see your name, I can't enter you into the drawing, obviously. So make sure that your channel is public and I can see it in my subscribers list. Because if I can't see it, then I can't enter you. But anyway, that's it. I probably won't be making another video until the end of the week. Going on a family vacation. We're all going to Florida. And I'm going to test my winning streak. I'll be on vacation when those cap and gowns come out. Now, I'm going to put my Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action app to the test. I've not lost in the last like 4 or 5 releases, as y'all know. So, I'm going to go to Florida. I already switched all my stores to Florida. We're going to see. I'm going to record it while I'm down there. I'm going to do some vlogging, obviously. We're on vacation. We're going to be in the sunshine and the palm trees. I'm going to see if the Foot Lockers, Foot Actions, and Champs in Florida treat your boy right when I get down there. See if I can still hit in a whole nother state. But anyway, I'm not going to hold y'all too much longer. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. It's not just the people that are here now. Everybody that subscribes after this, everybody that's already subscribed will be entered into this giveaway. Everybody. And y'all already know the last one I did, I recorded it. It's all fair. And everybody gets with it. If you win, you get your money. OVE!